It's Jay Meisler here with the trade of the day for August 27th, 2014. This is after the close of business on August 26th. Now, those who followed me and what I've been saying, especially since we broke down below 134.75, I've been only looking to sell euro. I keep asking if it looks like it's going to bounce. Do you want to buy it? I said no, only one direction, and I have not changed that view at all. Now, if you look at a daily chart, the progression's been pretty clear, although sometimes the path doesn't look so clear, though now it does. 134.75, the break here. The target was 132.94. We broke that, stayed below it. Next target's 131.05. There's a minor support just below 130, with the major target here at just about 127.50. Some have it 127.45, but you can see why. Now, down channels intact. We have no news to speak of on Wednesday. Wednesdays sometimes can be a correction day. Not saying it's going to be that way this week. It's very thin week. But you've got to watch the 132 level. It traded 2 days in a row. If we stay below it, the risk is 131.05. Now, if you look at this is the 1 hour chart. Here's your gap right here to 132.21. We got close to filling it today. Didn't get it. And look at the price action below it. Sideways and then down again. So as long as we stay below this gap this week, some say the gap has to be filled. Market's bearish. The lower we get, the harder it is to get the trade. Harder it is to make a trade call, especially when you've been bearish and looking for lower levels. But here I am trying to make a trade call on here. So I said Wednesday you got to be a little bit cautious because of Wednesdays are typical that way. You can get there's no news out at all. But then when you look down the pipeline, and I said this from the start of the week, I said on the weekend, you've got Eurozone CPI on Friday, also month end, and the CPI is going to be very tame. Some have it even falling below a 0.4% annualized rate seen last when it was reported last month. This is called the flash PMI. So up until Friday, at least at a minimum, you can stay short euro. If we stay below 132, then it's going to 131.05. That break's going to 130. So to me, it's hard to make a specific call here as we're at the low of the day. But at 131, anything below 132 now seems to be a sell, with a stop probably above 132.15 to 20, with 21 being the gap. So I'm not one to chase moves, getting harder to find any kind of entry level. But I said my bias remains down. My bias remains to sell dips. Sell rallies, and we'll continue that way, especially if we stay below 132. 132 kind of territory neutral. Once again, look at the top above this video. I wrote an article about FX equilibrium. I think it's really, really well timed, and it tells you why we traded like this before going like that. So click on the link, it's right above this video. Good luck, good trading, and assume any bounce in the euro is going to be a technical bounce, and only above, I say 132.20 to 50, we get people thinking maybe we have a bottom, and I don't think we're at one yet, especially with 130 probably in the horizon over the next couple of weeks. Okay, that's it. Good luck, good trading.